Okay, let's continue with our basement layout. Okay, let's go using our slope piping. We are going down. Going to go over. Down here and here. Okay, now this is the basement area. So what I need to do is go down. There's going to be a sump pump installed under these stairs, okay? So I'm going to go to that section and go down. Okay, just a little bit. I don't know exactly where, but the ideal is to go down, get the sump pump, or install it, and come back up in this area and go to the first floor. Where is first floor? Okay, first floor, and come up in this area. Somewhere in here. Okay, let's do that. Go back to the basement plan. And I've gone down. I'm going to rotate my section view 90 degrees. Okay. And let's take a look at that. Okay. So what I'm going to do is copy this over. And I need to come up. Let's go back to basement plan, basement. And I'm going to move this over. I'm using my arrow key just to move it over. So I'm going to come up in that wall. Okay. Let's look at this section again. So the sump pump is going to be in here somewhere. Okay, I'm not going to draw it out. There's a family somewhere, but I'm not going to go into that kind of detail. To get the sump pump and the family and all of that, I'm going to let you guys do that. I just don't have the, I'm not going to do it. Where am I? First level. So what I need to do is go to, let's look at some multiple views here. This 3D section view, I don't need that. I want to concentrate on my 4-inch pipe from the sump pump here, okay? And it is here. So I want to show it going toward these 3 lavs and this, well, going to from right to left, okay? And this is the basement level, and that looks good. That's what I want. I want that to show as a riser, but I want it to show the pipe coming from the riser and going from right to left, okay? So how do I do that? Let's rotate a negative 90, because I want to see that orientation where it goes from right to left, okay? So we go back to the section view. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think that's okay. I hope it's okay. Draw a pipe and we go down. Okay, we can see it on the basement, but I don't want that showing on the basement. So I want to penetrate on this first level and show it on as a riser on the basement plan. Okay, so I'm going to use my arrow key to have this pipe go up, up, up until I see it poking through this area. Okay, so I'm going to continue to rise, continue to rise. And okay, so now it shows up. Okay, you see that? Okay, Now I want it to show a riser here. It's going to be in the basement. Okay, I'm just using the arrow key, and all of this is being controlled by your view range. So now that I have this the way I want it, let's go back and connect. Let's go to a 3D section. Let's go to overall and turn off the architect's drawing or model, and let's look at our information. So that's the riser, okay? And I think I need to go back and rotate 90 degrees. Let's rotate 90 so we can connect the two. Okay, go to section view. Okay, and here, draw a pipe here, and modify, and let's fill it here, here. Okay, so the sump pump is in this area. Now I'm not drawing that, or I'm not going to put that family in there. I'm just concentrating on the piping for now. Okay, but before I do that, let's go back to the basement, and I think there's some clean outs that I need to put. Should be a clean out here. I think I can do that. Yes. Let's draw a pipe, and we need to change the orientation. That slope is going to go up. So what I'm going to do is cap this guy. Okay. Let's see if everything is working so far. Ooh, something is wrong. I have a cap here. Okay. What I'm looking at are my fixture units, making sure everything is being counted for. Okay, 18, and here's another clean out. Okay. Draw that, and we're gonna go slope up and put a cap on this guy. So we are still, and then it goes down. We are under the slab in this case. We're still under. It goes down to the sump pump. From the sump pump, it goes up, and it goes up to the first level. Okay. Goes up to the first level, and here we are on the first level here. Okay. Now let's take a look at that. Okay. Let's rotate that section a -90 so we can get a good look at it. And we are here. I think what I'm going to do is make this my active view, and I can go back section view. Okay, so we are here. Okay, so what I need to do is connect the piping from the sump pump onto the main, onto the first level. I'm going to keep that on for now. I'm going to draw this up first. There's so many ways of doing this, but I just want to get an understanding of how this is going to play out. Okay, so let's get our lavatories all piped up. Okay, make sure all of our systems are okay. I'm going to take the slope off for now. Okay, and let's go back first level basement to that first level. I'm going to do this, and am I going to slope? No, not. I'm not going to slope this. It should be sloped, and the contractors will slope it. But for the sake of argument, I'm not going to slope it. I'm going to change from 1 1/2 to a 2-inch pipe. And just kind of put it right there, okay? Now let's go to the second lavatory and pipe that up. Go to section view, okay? And let's see if we can get the right connection here. Okay, so what I'm looking for are my dynamic connection. I call it a dynamic connection. I didn't see it. So the trick to finding that connection is if you click on your pipe and you put a little coupling in it, right? Just put something in it to make it open-ended somewhere, okay? So you have it open-ended, then you go back, okay? You can go back and, okay, so you see the dashed horizontal line? I don't know if you can see that, but there's the vertical here, but there's another one that's horizontal. See the horizontal line? That's the one I wanted. So I know I can connect. Now I can connect into that piping. Let's go here. What is this? What is this? Wait a minute. What's that? What is this? Oh, I see what's going on. I think, yeah. I think that's, let's see what happens. No, something is not right. Something is not right. Something is not right. Something is not right. Here. Can I undo all of that? Yeah. Okay. So we go here. I'm gonna make this, I'm using my arrow key to go up some. Yeah, I didn't like the way that fitting looked. So I'm gonna keep it open, okay? And I think I'm gonna change my fitting. Let's go here, because that's a Y combination. I don't want that one. I want to use the sanitary. Reducing sanitary. I want that one. Okay. Now let's go back. Because it's open-ended, I know it's going to be, let's, here, starting all the way over. All the way over, yes. Okay. Now let's go back and see what's going on. Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay, and the same with the third. Just gonna drag that out and see. And it's open-ended, so I know that I can get a good connection. You go here, down, and here, yes. Okay. Okay. Now that looks good. Yeah, we like that. So I'm just gonna drag that, make another connection. Okay, so that's that. Now, what I need to do, because the floor drain is lower, then it's gonna be on another piping configuration. Okay. I think I'm gonna stop here. No, I'm gonna keep going. That's okay. Do this. PVC, we got that. Okay. And I'm gonna slope down. Okay. Let's go back to the floor plan. Okay. Because I need to connect this pipe, the one from the sump, and these from the 3 lavatories, and then go over to connect to these piping that's gonna be done later. But I need to draw this pipe and down Okay. Let's see where it should be. Okay, I'm gonna just, let's trim that out. You can use any of these lines. See, trim this one, that one. Okay, just to get it back. What is that, a 3-inch? So I think that what I need to do is change this to a 4-inch before I do anything. I think I'm gonna do that. So because that's a 4-inch, I need to make this a 4-inch pipe, right? So let's change that to a 4-inch. Okay. And slope down. And slope this down. I'm gonna go all the way up, and we're still going down. Okay. So this pipe, we're going to slope up, so I need to change, right? So Revit doesn't give me an error. I'm going to go back as just because. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3 connections I need to make. Okay, I think I'm going to stop here. I want to continue, but it's you know, we can pick this up the next time. Okay. All right, so I will talk to you guys later.